was walking down Session Road one late afternoon. The weather is fine, and you can still feel the heat of the sun in that hour, which is very rare. It is usually cloudy in those hours. Well, maybe I'm the one which is cloudy. I feel like a dark cloud is right above my head, ready to pour its water content and spew its lightning anytime. When suddenly out of the crowd, I saw a familiar face. A face I would never forget. I froze. I could not believe what I am seeing. Nakamulagatak nga mangkit-kita kanya na, dead on my track. Then our eyes met. I can see shock and amazement register in her eyes. And then nangagkuti amazed, playing just behind my ears. I'm not sure if it's only in my head or it's playing loudly talaga somewhere else. And the past flashed back, right in front of my eyes. It was 1999. Right after high school, since I can't afford to enroll myself into college, kat pinadas ko na pan Baguio to try and find a job where I can earn enough at na makapasok na into college. It was April when I set foot in Baguio, but then I set out matlang ta ijay nakbalili nakabirok ti boarding house, which is cheaper. 500 lang adan kwarto mon. That cheap inya, those were the years talaga. And the common nga salas kan kitchen. There are 4 rooms ijay boarding that time. Naanos ti owner ta sakto nga kailian iso nga nakayatak ijay nga pagboardingan. Hanpay ado ti balay that time. I remember the sangat kan pasalog nga pagnaan because it is almost at the top iso nga cheaper ada pa exercise. Unfortunately, katawan nakita nga mayat nga work, so I ended up being an assistant. Assistant kargador, assistant mason, assistant darat boy. Strike anywhere and strike diskarte until naisurot akti may isang grupo ti construction workers na da steady nga trabaho da. Naira na nga kurang da iti tao, ta medyo dakkel di aramiden da nga balay. I met them idi nag-extra act as a darat boy. Well, mainly kat manual labor ti racket ko idi high school matlang. Adamat a 6-pack ko idi, ngam tatak at 1 pack laangon, extra large pie. That's why I was able to finish my high school studies. I was not born into a well-off family, so nga we need to rely on ourselves if we want to at least be educated. Iso at a young age that we were born into hard labor for us to afford going to school. Especially kada kami na boys. The labor rate that time kat it's not much. Kasi those times kat 60 to 80 per day. Although it's small, kat I was able to finish high school. So with that rate kat I know na it will be difficult to get me through college. Iso nga I tried my luck somewhere else. So around May, kat steady and matbasi ti trabaho. Pang 3 months, jay aramidin mi nga balay, tapang stories, 2 stories. And after that, kat ada agururing another 2 house. So maybe steady ti trabaho for a year. So adamat siguro maornong. June comes and the school year begins. That the time nga I met my first love. Taga babae suna. She is a nursing student in SLU. Nagpintas kan long hair. Medyo old house jay boarding and there are 4 rooms and jay room ko ti kabasitan so good for 1 laang. The other rooms could all have double decks. 2 rooms could all ladies and other 2 boys mat. Agkabsat jay boys the other room. First year high school could medyo lakay mat jay manong na. I did not meet her when she moved in the morning, and I only got to see her in the evening idinalawidak from construction site. When I first saw her, ay napadli. I was mesmerized by her beauty. Simple, she made my heart tigidig like a fast-moving train. Namhanangat ring tibusan. Nice meeting you, kuya, ako na when we introduced ourselves. Very captivating the isam na padli. Just imagine Christina Gonzalez smiling back at you. One morning, I just came out from the bathroom when she asked me, "Kuya, paano ka nakakaligo sobrang lamig ng tubig na hindi ka man lang nagpapakulo ng tubig?" Which I replied, "Simple lang, yung unang buhos lang naman ang malamig. Ang gawin mo, pagbuhos mo ng unang tabo, umilag ka. Yung susunod hindi na malamig." With the best smile I could master. Ayun ha, padli, nagkitigarik-gik na while she went on to take a bath, bit-bit siya danom ngayon paburok na. I could not forget that laugh the whole day. It made me like an idiot nga nakaisam the whole day or nagdigdig sunti maawit. May isa nga kadwati nagkantsaw. Nalipatan manan nga agas mo nga tinumar. Santo agkatawa, tigiti kakadwa. Hindi ko lang na-realize nga kaslaak gaya man sinto-sinto. I have been thinking no kas ano ikastak nga garam. Zero experience act during my high school days. No time for love life. Awan tangdan. I'd rather look for something na pagkwartaan ta iso kapay. One evening, I was cooking pinakbet when she wandered into the kitchen. "Ang bango naman, kuya, parang masarap yung niluluto mo ah." To which I replied, "Syempre masarap din yung nagluluto." And I heard again, tikatawa na. Nag-cute talaga. Lalo ak nga na in love. "Ang sarap mo siguro kakwentuhan, kuya, hindi boring. Makikiulam ako dyan, kuya, ha?" So I said, "Walang problema, basta ikaw." Nanginginig pa. Naggarikgik manan ay naapo. Ganado iso nga nangan that time. Naimasa nga talaga tilotok. "Magpapatagay ako bukas, tumatagay ka ba ng hard?" "Sige ba kuya, basta libre." Sabay garikgik manan. I felt nga natin nagsamot. Jay puso kon. Uray siguro gagarikgik ti agpat naghanak mo o mga mangdangag. I love the way she laughed. Next kas lang a country song lang ah. So the next day, I bought 4x4 and pomelo juice. You heard it right. Pomelo gin TUCD. Pitel, ice, pomelo juice, and gin lang ayos na. It was a good combination that time. It was like a bonding for us nga DJ boarding. It was the only time na we were gathered ka nagkaistoryaan. A rare occasion nga kunada. Most of the time, kat hi hello lang everyday. Although, she laughed and talked more than hi and hello prior to the inuman. So after a couple of rounds, kat she made a request. "Joke naman dyan kuya, malay mo tatawa kami sa mga tinatago mong jokes." Sabay smiled and it was the cutest smile I have ever seen. Siyempre, na-inspire yung agi istorya. One of my jokes goes like this. Isang binatilyo ang umuwi galing school na nagdadabog at may pasa sa mukha. Nagulat ang tatay pagkakita. "Anak, na paano yung mukha mo?" "Napalaban ako sa may kanto, tay. Tinawag mo naman akong bakla. Siyempre hindi tayo papatalo, tay. Kaya umangal ako at lumaban. Talaga naman itong anak ko, binata na talaga. Anong ginawa mo sa kanila, anak?" And with the best gay accent I could master, "Pinaghahampas ka sila ng aking shoulder bag tie. Mga chusero, hombre." It's her turn nagtagay kat na ipagso na di tagay na and it even went out of her nose. Still kinda cute the way she looked. She sat and laughed holding her stomach. Corny J joke ko but she laughed at it. After 2x2 we were enjoying the night and we all have a good laugh. Uray corny dagiti jokes ko but still we all had a good laugh at it. And she said, "Ang saya mo namang kasama kuya. Kung gusto mo date tayo bukas para mas masaya," I replied. And she looked at me itinabayag and then said, "Oo ma, libre mo." Napalakpak tilapayag ko sika. Finally, I will have a date for the first time. One day, kat we watched movie at Empire Theater. Things ti palabas kat action and drama. When open pa ti Empire Theater that time as well as other cinemas around Baguio Business District. Those times kat double showing ti cinema. Kaya sulit ti 30 pesos ng admission fee. After the movies, kat we ate at the Carinderia. Budget meal anita isa lang kaya ti bulsa. And strolled down Burnham Park until nighttime. Magtugaw-tugaw kami magtabak ako na yung nagnag na kami talaga yung ganarabi. That was our first date. Nga napasaron 1 iti adupay nga dates. Until sinagot na siya. Amok gayam ti agarom. They said that the best way to a man's heart is through his stomach. But on my case, kat it's the other way around. She loves my cooking, especially di pinakabot ko. Han mo umay suna. Every other day, kat iso ipaloto na. Going strong to relationship me. We love each other's company, and we are happy when we were together. Imbag lang tahan kami nagsakit ti diabetes due to our sweetness nuts. Masikasi suna and made sure na everything is ready for me. Syakmat, kat na that time ko, kat apan ko sundon isuna from school, karkaro na medyo malaman yung schedule na. Isumot may sanga ng kayatakan niya na, takinayat nak oray may saklang construction worker that time. We were happy then. Namin almost a year of our relationship, kat hanmat nga always happy. We do have misunderstandings, but I made sure nga han bumayag. Until vacation comes and she has to go home. Intulod ko suna iti terminal. We sat outside while waiting nga agandar jay bus. Just enjoying the moment. Nakasandal iso na kinyak. And when it's time to go, kat I hugged and kissed her and told her to hurry back soon. But that was the last time that I saw her. She never came back. My roommates just informed me. One day nga in may inala ni mother na nagigamit na. She was transferred to Lorma Colleges. She still looks the same today. Almost 2 decades, I didn't expect to see her again. I asked her what happened after she left. As we have coffee. Naamon gayan ti parents na nga she has a boyfriend. Isong and transfer da isuna tapnuhan ka no maistorbo ti studies na. She could not do anything but to obey her parents. Strict gayam dagatug ang ako ma. She is now a certified nurse and working in the Middle East. Nakabakasyon lang that time. She is married and had a lovely daughter. An exact replica of her, din pakita na jay picture. As we sat there, kat we reminisce the past. How happy we were then. Although naudlot nga kunada, we still have our sweet memories with us. But we knew that it was almost dark, iso nga it's time to part ways manan. I don't know ngam I just hate goodbyes. Namnyangay na ron. As we stood and started to go out, kat inpahabol ko. Can I have the one last hug before we go, kunak? She smiled. Jaisam ngahan ko pulos malipatan. We hugged each other tight one last time and said goodbye. Goodbye to the past. We meet people as we go with our lives. Some stay, but others don't. Some will stay and change while others leave and yet still change you. We can't control or prevent what's happening. But what we have control of is whether the change will be for the best or worst of us. That is the choice that we can control. All the best everyone and stay safe. It's me, Harvey.